Okay, I just finished making my transaction. It's gonna be expensive for today. Synthetic oil for $115 and then $120 for alignment, $10 for inspection. What a costly money for today, just doing those jobs. But it's okay. It's gonna be 6 months again before it's gonna be service. I just got this used car, used SUV for $9,000. It looks brand new with small mileage on it, only 48,600 when they sold it to me. Okay, let's make a walk and go to Vallarta and see what's happening over there. And this is how, what's this? Okay. U854 Honda. It's gonna be sunny, but a little bit cooler because of the breeze, the air. San Diego County. Open at 9:15 business hours. Across the street is the Family National City Family Healthcare Center.
No, ya sabes que lo que hiciste que hacer los hombres.
Oh, come like a dream, peaches and cream. National City, mile of cars. No parking. What I'm gonna do right now is to go to Walgreens and buy some cup drops. I've been suffering from colds and slight sore throat since Monday because of the sudden change of temperature here in San Diego. But I hope it's gonna be relieved by some cup drops. Walgreens National City. Pharmacy. almost close to the entrance right now. Whew, hot. Ibon mang may layang lumipad. Okay, I will turn this off now. They won't let me do video inside.